Handgun 3 is the first of the courses that introduces prefabricated stressors that mimic real-life situations.
Let's go, get back in the game, here it goes. We work this out, You don't ride the slide forward, pull back, let go, pull back, let go, pull back, let go, then reload and charge, then reload and charge.
Students will receive instruction on shooting on the move and shooting at moving targets. The course begins with simple one-directional movement exercises and progresses to multi-directional movement exercises while shooting at stationary targets.
That one's going to look real pretty. That's a side step, crossover, hop, 2 steps run, side step, hop, cross.
I know, I'm doing
Just
it.
walk.
What the hell is that?
Just walk. Just walk.
We then proceed to provide instruction in moving to and from cover while shooting at stationary, pop-up, and lateral moving targets.
And cover.
This course begins to add realistic aspects to firearms training in that the shooter is outside the traditional stall in an open environment as they would be in real-life situations.
You drew your gun, you pointed at the target, then you looked back at your cover, then you turned and shot your target. You're dead. You can't take your eyes off the target.